Hello everyone, it's Gigi, and I have decided to join in on Jill Norwood's Saturday Morning Makes. So my first project, I'm going to show you what I used first, and then I'll show you my project. So I used the Walnut Stain Distress Oxide. I used some of the hot cocoa paper. I used this one up here. And I also used, no, I just used that one. Yeah. I used this Bo Bunny stamp set called Holly Jolly, and I used the Snowman Angel. I used a set from My Favorite Things called Merry Christmas, and I used the Christmas tree right here. Y'all can see that. And then I used this older set called Stitched Stockings, and I used the May This Christmas Be Filled with Joy. And then lastly, I used this LDRS Creative Over the Hills border die. Oh, I had it right the first. Do I have it? Which way does it go? It's this one. Okay. And let me show you what my project turned out to look like. So here it is. And here is the inside. So it says, May this Christmas be filled with joy. And so that's what I came up with. And I used my Copics to color. So I hope you guys like it. And then I did a second project, and I used some of this Pink and Main twine. I used the brown. I used one of these gingham buttons, this one right here, from the Sewology from Hobby Lobby. And these are plastic. And then I dug out this old trim from Michael's. And I used the ruler bits. I used a sentiment that you wouldn't think would go with this, but this one's for my mom. So I used mom, and then I used thank you for being my example in life and loving me for who I am. And I'll explain why I used it. I used some of this paper pad from Echo Park's Coffee, and I used this one right here, and then I also used the solid in this. And then I just got this stamp in yesterday, and it's by Stamp Passions, and it's called It's Easier with Friends. Isn't it adorable? I just love it. So my mom works with special ed kids at an elementary school. And I thought this would be perfect for her. So I made this card with my mom in mind. And this is what I ended up coming up with. So here's that trim and that button, and I tied a little bow. And I colored her up with some Copics. And right here, if you see, there's a little cat peeking out. And y'all guys know I love cats. I have 4. And there's a little bird and some ladybugs on her shoulder and a little snail peeking out, if y'all can see that. And her hair's all curly and crazy like mine. And then on the inside is where I put that sentiment to my mom from me. So that is my Saturday makes. Let me get the other one back out, so y'all can have one last glance at it, if I can find it. So those are my Saturday makes for this weekend. I hope you enjoyed. Love you guys. Thanks, Jill. Bye.